Hello guys, glad to see you all. Today, shall we going to learn about the English tenses. Then what is a tense? The form of verb that shows the time or state of an action is called the tense. There are three main tenses in English. They are the present tense, the past tense, the future tense. Then what is present tense? The present tense is a verb tense used to describe to a current activity or state of being. Example, I swim in the sea every Saturday. The past tense. The past tense is verb tense used for a past activity or a past state of being. Example, I jump in the lake. The future tense. The future tense is a verb tense used for a future activity or a future state of being. Example, I will jump in the lake. Present tense can have four different forms. They are simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous tense. The past tense can have different four forms. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. The future tense can have four different forms. They are simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. Now we are going to learn each tense one by one. The first one, simple present tense. Personal pronouns are used in simple present tense. Subject, singular and plural. The first persons are I, we, second person you, third person he, she, it and they. We use verb 1 for I, you and a plural subject. We use verb 1 plus s or es, he, she, it for a singular subject. We use helping verb do I, we, you and they. We use does, third person he, she, it. Verb used in base or verb 1 form. The simple present tense is used to express a universal truth or habitual action. Habitual action means routines, their like, dislikes, hobbies, facts and universal truth. Look at the following examples. To put a sentence of present simple tense in the negative, we use do not or does not with verb 1. We use does for a singular subject. We use do for I, you and a plural subject. After using does, we drop the s or es from verb 1. In a simple statement, we always put the subject before the verb. But in a question, we put the helping verb do or does before the subject and the main verb after the subject. After using does, we always drop the SRES from verb 1. It is wrong to put SRES with verb 1 after using does. Remember, simple present tense used to express all habitual actions and action that always happens, future planned action, proverbs, saying of a great person, historical events, universal truths, and conditional clause. And the second one, present continuous tense. Helping verbs are used in present continuous, subject, I, am, we are, you are, they are. The third person, he, used for is, she is, it is. We use the present continuous tense to express an action that is going on at the time of speaking or live action. Look at the following examples. Present continuous tense is used to express an action that is happening at the moment of speaking, live action, happening around the moment of speaking, not live action, going to happen in future, definitely take place, irritating the speaker, happens more number of times. Present perfect tense is a mixture of the present and the past. It is used to express an action that has just been completed. Present perfect tense to express a past action whose time is not definite. The verb form in this tense is has or have plus main verb 3. We use has for a singular subject and we use have for I, you and a plural subject. Look at the following examples. Present perfect tense is used to express an action that happened already in the past, happened recently using adverb of time, happened once or a number of times earlier. The present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous tense is used when an action that began at some time in the past is still continuing at the present moment. The verb form in this tense is has or have plus been plus verb 1 ing. If there is no suggestion of duration from the past, the present continuous is used. If there is a relationship between past and now, the present perfect continuous must be used. Look at the following examples. The present perfect continuous is used to express an action that started in the past and still going on. If time is not given, it means lately. Simple past tense. We use past simple for an action that took place in the past. To make a positive statement in past simple, we use past or the verb to form of the verb. The verb to form is used both for a singular and a plural subject. Look at the following examples. To make a negative statement in past simple, we use did not plus verb 1 both for a singular and a plural subject. Look at the following examples. In a past simple statement, we always put the subject before the verb. But in a question, we put the helping verb did before the subject and the main verb after the subject. After using did, we always change verb 2 to verb 1. We never use verb 2 with did. Look at the following example. Past simple is used to express an action that happened in the past with the time, an action that happened over a period of time in the past, a set of past action that happened one after one. We never use verb 2 with did. Past continuous tense. We use the past continuous tense to express an action that was going on at some particular moment in the past. In a continuous tense, we always use the ing form of the verb with a suitable helping verb. Past continuous tense takes was or were plus verb 1 ing. Look at the following examples. Past continuous tense is used to express an action that was happening at some time in the past, an action that happened suddenly when something was in progress, when two actions were taking at a time in the past. The past perfect tense. The past perfect is used for an action completed before a certain moment in the past. Past perfect tense is used to refer usually long past actions or situations. We do not use it to refer to things that happened in the recent past. Past perfect tense is used to express that something had happened before another action took place. If two actions had happened in the past, the past action must be written with the first perfect tense and the second action is simple past tense. Look at the following examples. The past perfect tense is used to express an action that had happened before something else in the past, a past unfulfilled wish. The fourth one, the past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is used to talk about a situation or an activity that had been happening in the past before another past action took place. The past perfect continuous tense is formed by using had been with the subject and the verb will end in ing form. Look at the following examples. The past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that started in the past, continued up to some time in the past, and ended in the past only. Had been there in progress before something else in the past. Simple future tense is used to indicate an action which is going to take place later. Simple future tense is formed by using shall or will with the subject, and the main verb will be in the infinitive or base form. Shall and will are auxiliary verbs. We can use shall or will with first person singular and plural I and we to express a future happening. Usually, will is used to express a definite situation or action in the future. Shall is not usually used with second person you and third person he, she, it, they. If shall is used with them, we get an idea of command or suggestion. Look at the following examples. Future is used to express an action that will happen in some indefinite time in future. An action that will happen in some definite time in future. The second one, future continuous. The future continuous tense expresses an action as going on happening at a particular time in future. Future continuous tense is formed by using shall be or will be with the subject, and the main verb will end in ing form. Look at the following examples. To make negative sentences, not is placed between shall or will and be. Future continuous is used to express an action that will be happening in some indefinite time in the future. The future perfect tense is used to express an action that will be completed at some time in future. Future perfect tense is formed by using shall have or will have with the subject, and the main verb will end in the past participle form. Look at the following examples. To make negative sentences, keep not after the auxiliary verb will or shall. Future perfect tense is used to express an action that will already have happened in future, will happen before another action in future. The future perfect continuous tense is used to indicate an action or situation that will be completed in future time and yet it continues. The future perfect continuous tense is formed by using shall have been or will have been with the subject and the main verb will end in ing form. Look at the following examples. To make negative sentences, keep not after will or shall. To make questions, keep will or shall at the beginning of the sentence. Perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that will continue up until a particular time